Wish.
Besok ada. Whale.
Okay.
Big whale.
Alright.
Hi, we meet again. Gone through a lot of phases in our life. Today we have come for a holiday in this remote town in one of the states in Malaysia, known as Negeri Sembilan, in a beach town. This beach town is special because it's about 1.5 hours drive from Kuala Lumpur. It's known as Port Dickson. We had a lot of fun at the beach. But badly because of the not so good weather, we couldn't catch any fish. Today we have prepared some Singapore noodles, Singapore rice noodles. It's very special in Singapore because they don't add any other condiments to make the color look different. It's just white noodles with all the other stuff put in together. Okay, let's try.
Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. We're going to taste the Singapore bihun now. Our recipe today looks very tempting, looks very delicious.
Okay. Prawns, tomato, vegetable, green vegetable, red capsicum, and a bit of lime. Yeah, a bit of lime juice. This is going to add the zest to it. Okay. Let's try it now. And also a bit of garnish with some fried onions. Okay, let's try it.
Wow, the chicken pieces looks tempting.
For these noodles, it's eggless. We didn't add any eggs to these noodles. Fried noodles without any eggs. Singapore fried noodles. Actually, if you want this to be a bit more spicy, you can add some pepper powder. This is a very special powder, pepper powder. I'm using black pepper powder. To make it a bit more spicy, you can add as much as you want. I'm just adding it a bit only. A bit will do for me. My darling also likes it. Just little bit only. Okay.
Wow, so nice with the added pepper powder. Very tastes nice with the pepper. Give that extra taste.
Oh, this is really awesome. I didn't expect it to turn out so well. You should try this. After this, let's go and see how to prepare this dish. It's a very simple dish. You too can prepare it. Come, let's go. Come. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you all again in the next video. Bye.
It's really awesome. You must try this recipe. Okay? Simple actually. You will definitely be able to do it nicely. Okay, bye bye. Have fun and stay safe. Okay. For our take on the Singapore fried noodles, we are using about 300 grams of rice vermicelli, which will be just nice to serve for 4 people. First, soak the dry noodles in plain water before preparing the other ingredients. Fresh prawns are the most important flavor enhancing ingredient for the Singapore fried noodles. Here we are using about 250 grams of medium sized fresh prawns. Make sure that they are fresh and juicy. We shall clean the prawns by first removing the head and all the shells and legs of the abdomen section. And then the tail section, the tailson part of the prawns will have this protruding sharp object. Remove it, it can prick us. Be careful while removing it. It will be very painful if we get pricked by it. Leaving the tail shell intact, we can also use a scissors to actually snip off that sharp end of the tailson. Once all the heads and shells have been removed, we shall use a very sharp paring knife to slightly slit open the top section of the abdomen. Remove the intestine and clean the inner parts under running tap water. Let's thoroughly rinse the cleaned prawns and keep them aside. Pour about half cup of cooking oil into a large saucepan. We have here 2 large onions cleaned and chopped thinly. We shall lightly massage the slices of onion so that they come apart loosely. Throw the onion slices into the oil. Let's add a pinch of salt. Fry the onion slices with the stove on medium heat. Keep stirring constantly for an even fry. We are actually preparing fried onions for garnishing and to add flavor to our Singapore fried noodles. Quickly remove them when they turn golden brown. Once in the sieve, the hot oil stuck to the onion slices will further brown them to our desired crisp. We shall use about 2 tablespoons of the remaining oil. Remove the excess. Stir in about 5 garlic cloves, roughly chopped and skin removed. Throw in about 100 grams of chicken meat slices. We have also added in some slices of the chicken heart. Mix well and stir fry with the stove on medium to high heat. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Mix evenly. Throw in the prawns which we have prepared earlier. Stir in the prawns, mix well and stir fry all these ingredients. Add in about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This will help to get rid of any fishy smell. Stir in and mix well. We can also replace this turmeric powder with about half a teaspoon of curry powder mixture. Add in 1 medium-sized red onion, quartered and separated into petals. Half a medium-sized carrot, thinly sliced and julienned. About 70 to 100 grams of enoki mushroom. And 50 to 70 grams of chopped red bell pepper. Stir in and mix all these ingredients together so that they are well coated by this turmeric powder and other condiments which we have added earlier. Prepare, clean and throw in about 100 to 150 grams of green vegetable. Add another quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon light sweet soy sauce. The greens we are using here are young mustard shoots with pods ready to bloom. Yeah, with the flower pods. They are very sweet and nice and tasty. Stir them in evenly with all the other ingredients. Now we can add in the soaked rice noodles. There is no need to toss or sieve them. Just throw them in dripping wet. This way our mixture will get some liquid to heat up and cook the noodles. As we go on to mix and stir fry them. Let us mix everything together and stir fry. Here we are using a ladle and a pair of chopsticks. The chopsticks has become one of our favorite cooking tools for actually stir frying noodles. Maybe one of these days you want to try using a chopstick to stir fry noodles. It's very easy. Do exactly like how we are doing it. It's so easy. Cook covered for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes is up, open and give a good stir while bringing down the heat of the stove to low. If the noodles are too dry, we can add about half or 1 cup of plain water. We added 1 cup of water. And now we are topping up with 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. You can also use jaggery or even white sugar if you do not have brown sugar. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime, like so. Here we are using a half-ripe medium-sized lime. Stir in and mix well. Throw in rinsed, washed and cleaned about 100 to 120 grams of bean sprouts. Let us give a good stir and mix in the bean sprouts with all the other ingredients which we have added earlier. Now we shall throw in about 50 to 70 grams of sliced juicy ripe cherry tomatoes. Now let's stir in and mix everything together to get that, this awesome tasting Singapore fried noodles. Our awesome tasting Singapore fried noodles is ready. Let's garnish with some fried onions. For those of us who love a tardy zing on our tongue, a slice of lime. Come, let's go on and enjoy our labor of love.